my name is Noe, and today I'm going to be making slime from the original stationery Galaxy Slime Kit. Today, though, we're going to be making the crystal clear slime full of sparkle and wonder. This one is so cool because it has so many little stars in it, but it's also a clear slime, so it looks so cool, and it has glow-in-the-dark stars, which I'll be using at the end, so stick around to see it. First, I'm going to need 30 millimeters of glue, so I'm going to pour it into my bowl. I'm really excited for this one, and I'm going to use my stir to get everything out. Make sure that no glue is left behind. Okay, now that I am almost done with my glue, I'm going to move on to my next step. Okay. Now that I'm done, I am going to add 2 level spoonfuls of my activator water, and I'm going to mix it for 30 seconds. So I have this right here. And there's 1 spoon. And then there's 2 spoons. And now I'm going to mix it for 30 seconds and then mix it in my hand. So sticky. Looks so cool. Looks like gelatin right now. If you've ever cooked with gelatin, looks like that. If you're trying to make like a gummy, those are actually really cool to make. If you ever have, gummies are really cool homemade stuff to make. Okay. I'm gonna make sure I get everything from the sides of the bowls. And I'm gonna mix it in my hands for a little bit. And then if you also want truly like crystal clear slime, because once you add the activator, it adds a lot of bubbles to it, you wanna let it sit overnight so it can get clear, and then you can continue your slime from there. But I'm just gonna show you guys how to do the whole slime right now. And it is worth the wait, I promise. It'll get completely clear. I'm gonna get all the extra slime that was left on it. And now that I have my crystal clear slime prepared, the fun begins. I'm gonna choose some colors. I wanna add the silver, some glitter colors, and I'm gonna choose a silver one. Just a little bit, because I have a lot going on in this slime. And then I'm gonna add some star confettis, some confetti stars, and I'm gonna add a little bit too. Oh my god, that was a lot. And then I am going to add this, but first I want to mix in my glitter and my stars, so it's all mixed in and ready for the glow-in-the-dark stars. Woo! It exploded everywhere. Glitter. Oh no. Okay. I'm trying to pick it all up. There we go. I had so much in there, it exploded. And then I'm gonna add my glow-in-the-dark slime. Or I'm gonna add my glow-in-the-dark stars. Let's add all of them. Can we? I'm gonna add 3 of them in there. And then now we're gonna turn off the lights and see how they work. Wait, I'm gonna put it up to the light. Go ahead. Okay, ready? We're gonna do a countdown. Ready? Mom, do the honors. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Can you see them? They're right here.
No.
Mom. Okay, wait. You gotta let them. Oh my gosh! Look at all my other stuff that are glowing. My stickers. My stars right here are glowing. Look. There we have it. Look at all my stars. And then look how funny. My glow powder is glowing, my stars are glowing, my stickers are glowing, and my other slime is glowing. It is so cool. I actually like this, and I would say like hours in the dark just to see these little stars glow. We're gonna turn the lights on.
And do it again. You
Okay.
need to charge
I'm gonna put it up. Yeah, I'm gonna charge it on the light, and then. I'm letting it charge on the light for a second. So, quick little break. I'm gonna clean up my station. These stickers are actually really cool. I wanna add them to my caps. Which one should I add? I wanna add, I'm gonna add the alien pod. Try not to break the sticker. I'm gonna put it right there. Look how cool. I'm gonna decorate my little thing. These are cool because they glow in the dark. I'm gonna put one more. Oh, I'm gonna put the. Here we go, and then when we go in the dark, I'm gonna show you how the stickers work. Okay, let's see if the star slime is charged enough. Okay, let's see. Mom, will you do the honors? 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, look at them. Can you see them, guys? They are so cool. Let me see if I can take them out. See if you can see them more. Look at that. And then you can see the other little stars in it too. But the slime, like you can't even see it. The only reason you can see it is because of the stars. Oh my gosh, so cool. And then look at the stickers I put on. They're glowing too. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. The lights are back on. I really like this slime because it's crunchy. Like the stars add a little crunch to it, and so do the sequins or the little star sequins. This slime was so cool, and I'm so excited you guys got to watch it with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you go get your original stationary Galaxy slime kit so you can have as much fun as I just had, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!